Hello, I'm Hannah Kawasako, and today I'm going to be talking about the 10 most important computer concepts. These concepts are really important when learning about the computer, so let's talk about them. So we have many different systems in the computer, which include the hardware, which are the physical components of a computer, and then we have the software, which are programs or apps which tell the computer what it needs to do. We have application software, which enables you to perform specific computer tasks such as document production, spreadsheet calculations, and database management. Database management software, they collect and manage data, information management, and software. They track schedules, contacts, and to-do lists. Many different types of application software include photo editing, video editing, graphics, website creation, multimedia, and accounting software. Next, we have processing. That occurs in the motherboard inside the computer, and all the hardware is stored there with this circuit board. And we have cards, which are removable circuit boards inserted into slots on the motherboard to expand its compatibilities. We have sound cards, which control the digital audio info to what we hear from the computer, and then we have graphic cards, which are virtual displays to what we see from the computer. And then we have connecting, which are peripheral devices. They connect to the computer either by cable or wireless. Cable connects to the ports in the computer by a few different types, the PS2, USB, or Ethernet. Data is represented by words, numbers, or sounds, graphics that describe everything, people, events, things. Data is represented by binary digits and range from kilobyte to petabyte, where petabyte is 100 times bigger than a terabyte, which is 1 trillion bytes. Next, we have network that connects one computer to other computer, and peripheral devices enable you to share data and resource them. Input devices such as a keyboard or a mouse are used to input data and issue commands. Output devices are to store and show your output, like monitors, printers, speakers. So output devices output information to you from the computer, and input devices you put information into your computer. And then we have memory. So some type of memory in the computer are random access memory or RAM, volatile memory, DPR, SDRAM memory, cache memory, read-only memory, BIOS, and boot process are just all different types of memory. We also have storage media. Storage is where the data you create and the instructions you use remain when you are not using them. Storage. And then a file is a named collection of stored data. An accessible file contains the instructions that tell a computer how to perform a specific task. And an example of storage media would be a USB flash, just something that stores your data that you can just import into your computer. That's an example of storage media. And then computing to the cloud. The cloud computing means that data, applications, and resources are stored on servers accessed over the internet. Some examples are Microsoft Office Online, Google Docs, Office 365, and OneDrive. And again, just data representation, just Data representation is words, numbers, figures, sounds, and graphics that describe people, events, things, and ideas. All right, and those are just some of the most important computer concepts that I think are really important to know when studying the computer. I hope you like this presentation. Thank you.